In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your MetaMask QR code. First, open MetaMask on your device. If you are using a mobile device, locate the MetaMask app and tap to launch it. On a browser, you will need to find the MetaMask extension icon, usually located in the upper right corner of your browser window. Once MetaMask is open, you will see your wallet interface showing your balances and recent transactions. This step is essential because having MetaMask open is the gateway to accessing your account's features. Next, you will need to access your account's address list. If you are on mobile, look for the copy or address icon, which is typically represented by two overlapping squares. Tap on this icon. For users on the browser extension, navigate to the network addresses area. It is usually displayed prominently on the main screen. This action is crucial as it allows you to view all available addresses associated with your MetaMask wallet. From there, tap or click on View All. This option will expand your address list, giving you a comprehensive view of all the addresses linked to your account. You will see a list of your wallet addresses, which can be useful for managing your transactions and ensuring that you are using the correct address for receiving funds. This step is important because it helps you keep your transactions organized and accurate. Now, find the network address you want to receive funds on. Each address corresponds to a specific blockchain network, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. It is vital to choose the correct address to avoid any potential loss of funds. You will see a series of alphanumeric characters representing your wallet address. Take your time to ensure you select the right one before moving forward. Next up, select the QR code icon to display the address as a QR code. This icon is usually represented as a small square with a pattern inside it. By clicking this icon, the address you selected will convert into a QR code format. You will see the QR code appear on your screen, making it easy to share your address with others. This step simplifies the process of sharing your wallet address, as anyone can scan the QR code to send you funds without needing to enter the address manually. Important: make sure the sender uses the correct network and address before transferring crypto. This precaution is critical because sending funds to the wrong network or address can result in a permanent loss of those funds. Always double-check that the details are correct to ensure a smooth transaction process. Once you have your QR code displayed, you can either take a screenshot to save it or share it directly with the person sending you crypto. If you are sharing the code in person, simply hold your device up for them to scan. This method not only saves time but also minimizes the risk of errors. Sharing your QR code directly is an efficient way to facilitate transactions. In conclusion, obtaining your MetaMask QR code is a straightforward process that enhances your ability to receive funds easily. By following these steps, you ensure that your transactions are safe, accurate, and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now feel more confident in using MetaMask for your cryptocurrency needs.